Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a blockchain that's making serious waves in the crypto space, Aptos. What if I told you there's a network aiming to build a truly borderless economy, a global engine for trade that's not just fast, but incredibly reliable? That's the vision behind Aptos. It's more than just another cryptocurrency. It's a foundation layer designed to power the next generation of Web3 applications. So, is it all hype? Or is Aptos truly the future of blockchain? Let's find out. To really understand Aptos, we need to go back to its roots. The story begins not in some garage, but within the walls of one of the biggest tech companies in the world, Meta, formerly known as Facebook. The project that was once called DIM, and before that Libra, was Meta's ambitious attempt to create a global digital currency. While that project never fully launched, the technology and the talent behind it didn't just disappear. Two key figures from the DIM team, Mo Sheikh and Avery Ching, saw the immense potential in what they had built. In October 2022, they launched the Aptos mainnet, carrying forward the mission to create a reliable, scalable, and secure blockchain for everyone. They didn't just want to build another crypto network. They wanted to build the one that could finally onboard billions of users safely and efficiently. Their experience at Meta gave them a unique perspective on building systems that can operate at a global scale, and they brought that expertise to the world of decentralized technology. So, what makes Aptos tick? What's the secret sauce under the hood? It all starts with a programming language called Move. Now, you might have heard of Solidity, which powers Ethereum, but Move is a different beast altogether. It was specifically designed from the ground up for writing safe and secure smart contracts. Think of it like this. When you're dealing with digital assets and potentially billions of dollars, you want a language that minimizes the risk of bugs, hacks, and exploits. Move is built with a focus on asset ownership and access control, making it inherently safer and more flexible for developers. This is a huge deal because it lowers the barrier to entry for building complex applications and reduces the chances of catastrophic errors. But a great language is only part of the equation. You also need a powerful engine to run it on. Aptos uses a sophisticated consensus mechanism that has seen some serious upgrades. One of the latest is called Baby Raptor. This isn't just a cool name. It's an enhancement that allows the network to process transactions with incredible speed and efficiency, even when some validators might be offline or slow. This brings us to the performance metrics, and honestly, they're mind-blowing. In testing environments, Aptos has demonstrated the ability to handle up to 1 million transactions per second. That's a number that dwarfs most other blockchains. In the real world, its block times are less than 130 milliseconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. And perhaps most importantly, it achieves what's called near-instant finality, meaning your transaction is confirmed and irreversible in under a second. To top it all off, since 2023, the Aptos mainnet has had zero downtime. That is a track record of reliability that is critical for building trust and attracting serious developers and businesses. A powerful blockchain is nothing without a vibrant ecosystem, and this is where Aptos is really starting to shine. Its DeFi, or decentralized finance, ecosystem has been growing at an explosive rate. The total value locked, or TVL, which is the amount of money deposited in its DeFi protocols, has soared past $1 billion. This shows that real users and real capital are flowing into the network. But what's particularly interesting is Aptos' focus on real-world assets, or RWAs. This is one of the hottest trends in crypto, bridging the gap between traditional finance and the blockchain. Aptos has quickly become a leading chain for RWAs, with over $723 million in tokenized real-world assets on its network. Projects like Pact are leading the charge, building platforms that allow for lending and borrowing against these assets, all on-chain. This isn't just about trading crypto, it's about bringing tangible, real-world value into the digital realm, and Aptos is providing the high-performance infrastructure to make it happen. The team behind Aptos isn't resting on its laurels either. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with blockchain technology. Let's talk about a couple of key innovations. First, there's Shelby. Developed in collaboration with the crypto powerhouse Jump Crypto, Shelby is a decentralized storage solution. Why is this important? Because blockchains generate a massive amount of data. Shelby provides a way to store and retrieve this data incredibly quickly, which is essential for applications that need instant access to historical information. It's a foundational piece of the puzzle for building a truly scalable network. Then there's Decibel. This is an on-chain engine designed specifically for high-frequency trading. It leverages the speed of the Aptos network to create a trading experience that feels as fast and responsive as using a centralized exchange, but with all the benefits of decentralization. These aren't just minor updates. They are major technical milestones that are paving the way for a whole new class of applications that were previously impossible on other blockchains. Now, no analysis would be complete without looking at both sides of the coin. Let's talk about what the experts are saying. On the bullish side, supporters are incredibly optimistic. They point to Aptos' stellar performance, its zero downtime record, and the safety features of the Move language as huge advantages. They believe that this technical superiority will inevitably attract the best developers and the most innovative projects, leading to massive growth. They see Aptos as a sleeping giant, a platform built for the long term that will eventually become a cornerstone of the Web3 economy. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Critics and the more bearish analysts raise some valid concerns. One of the main challenges is user adoption. While the technology is impressive, attracting a large and active user base is a different ballgame. The crypto space is incredibly competitive, with established players like Ethereum and fast-growing rivals like Solana all vying for the same users and developers. Critics argue that Aptos needs to do more to build a unique and compelling user experience that can draw people away from these other ecosystems. They also point out that while the performance in testing is amazing, maintaining that level of performance as the network scales with real-world usage is the true test. The competition is fierce, and Aptos has to prove it can not only compete but win in this crowded marketplace. So, where does that leave us? Aptos has set out with a monumental ambition to redefine the entire blockchain landscape. It's not just trying to be a faster version of what already exists. It's aiming to be the foundation layer for a new global, borderless economy. Its technical foundation is undeniably strong. The combination of the secure Move language and a high-performance consensus mechanism gives it a significant edge. The network's reliability, proven by its perfect uptime record, is a massive selling point for serious enterprise and DeFi applications. While it faces real challenges in user adoption and a highly competitive environment, its rapid ecosystem growth, especially in the promising field of real-world assets, shows that it's gaining serious traction. Aptos is a project that is built with a long-term vision, backed by a team with unparalleled experience in building systems for a global scale. Whether it will achieve its grand vision remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. Aptos is one of the most important and exciting projects in the crypto space today, and it's definitely one you want to keep a close eye on. Thanks so much for watching. What are your thoughts on Aptos? Do you think its tech will help it win the blockchain race? Let me know down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.